Term 3, Unit 5 Money Lessons, Part 4. In this session, we are going to learn about Exercise 5.1, 5 to 8 sum word problems. Fifth sum, Arun purchased gold coins in different weights in a jewellery shop. So the price of the gold coins were 18,965 rupees 75 paise and 26,998 rupees. Then last coin's value is 3,589 rupees 50 paise respectively. So find the total price of the gold coins. So how many gold coins did Arun purchase, ma? Yes, you are right. 3 coins, isn't it? How did you find this? Super. We have 3 values, isn't it? So from the 3 values, Arun purchased 3 gold coins, right? Very good. So here they have mentioned total price. Total means we are going to do add only. You understand what I am saying? That is the hint word for you to do the addition. Clear? Okay. Let us start to do. Here we have 3 values. So we are going to add these 3 values only. What to be done first work? Yes, our first work is we must mention in a proper place value. Right? Okay, like this. Rupees and pies should be separated with that dot. So that's also very important. Don't forget, more. Then as usual you can do the addition. So here one part is missing. What is that? Yes, addition symbol, isn't it? So mention that symbol. That's very important. Then let us start to do. Okay. 5 plus 0 plus 0, 5. Then 7 plus 0 plus 5, 12, isn't it? So with our mind calculation, it will be easy. So get practice on that mark. So 2 here and 1 above on the 1 place. Now we have 4 numbers to be added, isn't it? 1, 5, 9 and 8 and 9. So let us connect these 2 numbers to get a round of numbers. That is 9 plus 1, 10, 10 plus 8, 18, 18 plus 5, 23. They mention the 3 here and 2 above on the tens place. Here also we have 4 numbers. Here we have to add these 4 numbers, isn't it? Okay. Let us connect in an easy way. 8 plus 2, 10, isn't it? Then 10 plus 9, 19. If I join from this one, so 20, remaining 5 will be there, so 25, isn't it? So 5 here and 2 above. Like this you have to connect, ma. Then it will be easy for you to do. Here in 100 place value, we have 9 plus 9, 18, 18 plus 2, 20, 20 plus 5, 25. So 5 here and 2 above. Here just join these two, 8 plus 2, 10, 10 plus 6, 16, 16 plus 3, 19. So 9 here and 1 above. Then as usual, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 1, 4. So mention that 4 here and mention the rupee symbol also. Without rupee symbol, it's just a number. Okay. To denote that value as a money, you have to mention that rupee symbol also. You understand what I am saying? Very good. So the total price of the gold coin is equal to rupees 49,553 and 25 paise. Right? Sixth sum. In a textile shop, father, mother, son and daughter were purchasing cloth. The price of each of their cloths were 8,950 rupees, then 14,875 rupees, then 7,895 rupees and 9,780 rupees respectively. Find the total cost of their cloth. So here also we are going to do the addition only because total is the hint word, right? Okay. So father got the amount, got the cloth for this amount, isn't it? 8,950 rupees, and mother this amount, and son 7,000 something, and daughter 9,000 something. So that is the meaning for that respectively, right? So don't change the amount for the person. Clear? Okay. So among these amount, whose amount is greatest, ma? Check it once. Yes, you're right. Mother's amount, isn't it? So mother purchased for 14,875 rupees. So that's the 5-digit amount, and that is the greatest one, right? Okay. So here we need to add the all these amount because of the total. So let us start. Father purchased. So we need to mention that word also. Before entering into the calculation, we need to draw the tabular column, right? Okay. So mothers purchased for 5-digit amount, isn't it? So that is the greatest one. So we need to draw the tabular column for that only, right? So five columns or 6 columns must be needed like this. So mention that 1, 10, 100,000, 10,000. Then 5 we don't have anyway. Just to put 0, 0. That will be okay. So mention all that amount, ma. Father this amount. Then mother purchased 14,875 rupees. Then son purchased 7,895. So write in an exact place, ma. That will be very, very helpful for you. Otherwise, whatever you have done, answer will be wrong one. So mention in a proper place value. So as usual, in 5 column, yeah, sorry, we have to mention that plus symbol also. Then as usual, do 0, and here also 0. Then come to the 1 place. 5 plus 5 only is there, remaining 0, isn't it? So 10 will become, so 0 here and 1 above, and here also let us connect that. See this, 9 is here. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 8, 18. 18 plus 7, 25. 25 plus 5, 30. So 0 here and 3 above. Then let us connect 3 with 7, isn't it? We get 10. So 7 plus 3, 10. 10 plus 9, 19. 19, 20, 27, 35. So 5 will be here and 3 must become above. Here also let us connect here. So 3 plus 7, 10. 10 plus 9, 19. Then 19, 20, 27, 31. So 1 should become here and 3 above. Let us add 3 and 1. We get 4. So mention that rupees symbol. Finally, this is the answer, ma. The total cost of the cloth is equal to rupees 41,500. Is it clear? So get will practice. Seventh sum. A farmer wanted to buy a tractor. The price of the tractor was rupees 6,72,598. But he had only rupees 2,86,760 rupees. How much more amount was required to buy the tractor? So how much more amount was required? So here we need to do the subtraction, ma. So try to understand the question. Which amount is greatest? The price of the tractor, isn't it? Okay. So from that only we need to subtract the 2,86,760 rupees. Okay. Let us start to do the solution. So here the price of the tractor was 6 lakh something, and farmer had this amount, right? So here required is the hint word. So we need to do the subtraction. So let us start. So before starting, we need to draw the tabular column, right? So I have already told that the price of the tractor was in lakhs, isn't it? So sure we need the 5 columns like this. So 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 and lakh. Up to lakh I have mentioned. Draw the tabular column like this and enter the amount now. Then farmer had money. 2 lakh something, isn't it? So mention it properly. Don't change the number. Even if you change a single digit, it will be a mistake only. Okay. Okay. So mention that subtraction symbol, that's very important. And the remaining, this answer will be the remaining amount. So 8 minus 0, 8. And in tens place, 9 minus 6, 3. Here 5 is not enough to do the subtraction of 7. So cancel that 5 and get the support from 1000 and mention it 1 and give that 1 to 1000 to 100. Okay. That 1000 now convert into 10 hundreds. So already we have 500, isn't it? So 10 plus 5, 1500 mark. Don't get confusion. For our convenience, we just mention 1, 2 like that. So now 15 minus 7, 8 will be the answer. And here only 1 is there, 1000 only. Okay. So get the support from 10,000. Here 6 will be there and give that 1 and mention 11. So now we can do the subtraction. 11 minus 6, 5. Then come to the 10,000. 6 also is not enough to do the subtraction for 8, isn't it? So cancel the lakhs place and then give the support to the 10,000. So 16 will be there. Now 16 minus 8, 8. So in lakhs place 5 minus 2, 3. So this will be the remaining amount. So amount required to buy tractor. So farmer need this much amount more to buy the tractor. That is 3,85,838 rupees. 8. Eighth sum. A man had rupees 17,246 in his savings account. If he had taken 8,891 rupees to pay for house rent, then how much amount was left in his savings account? So, hope you understand this question. Here they have mentioned left, isn't it? So that denotes to do the subtraction only. So wherever you see that left word, you have to do the subtraction, right? So that is the hint word. Don't forget. So in savings account, he had 17,000 something, and for house rent, so 8,000 something, and left is the hint word for to do the subtraction. So let us start to do total amount is equal to, we need to draw the tabular column, isn't it? So 17,000 savings amount is the greatest number. So we need to draw the tabular column with 5 columns, right? Like this. So 1 times 100,000, 10,000. Because the amount is 17,000, right? So 5 digits are there. So I have drawn like this. Then enter the money as usual. Withdrawal amount or house rent. Water maybe no issues. You can enter any one word. 8,891 rupees and mention that minus symbol here left or remaining. Both are correct only. In one place 6 minus 1, 5. Then 10th place 4 minus 9. 4 is not enough, isn't it? So cancel that and get the support from 100. Here 200s are there. So cancel that 1 and 100 and give the 100 to tens. So 100 converts into 10 tens. So 10 plus already 4 is there. So 10 plus 4, 14. So don't forget ma, and don't get confusion. For our comfortable, for our convenient, we say that 2, 1 and 14 like this. But 14 in 10th place, it denotes 140, right? Okay. So 14 minus 9, 5, right? Then come to the 100th place, 1 minus 8, 1 is not enough. So cancel and get the support from 1000. So remaining 6 will be there and give the support to 100 now. So 11 will be there. Now 11 minus 8, 3. Then as usual 6 minus 8 is not enough. So cancel from 10,000 and give the support to 1000. So 16 will be there. Here 16 minus 8, yes, 8 only. So now we don't have any values in 10,000. So bring that 0 down, mention that rupee symbol. So this will be the amount ma. Remaining amount in the account is 8,355 rupees. Let us see. Divide 1005 equally for 5 students. How many rupees does each student get? So here we are going to do the division because each, yes, that is the hint word for division mark. So if you see that each, try that division. You understand what I am saying? Fine. So let us start to do total amount 1005. Then we are going to distribute for 5 students, isn't it? So mention number of students equal to 5. Then each student gets money, that's equal to 1005 divided by 5. So here 5 is common, isn't it? So in 5 times table, uh, answer should be ended with 0 or 5. So let us take that 5 times table. Okay. So 5 once are 1 times. Here 5 2 times. 5 to the 10. So I cancel and mention the 2 above. Then remaining 2 zeros are there joined with the 2. Now we have 200 here divided by 1. That's equal to 200 pies only. Right? So one more thing. In that question they have asked how many rupees, but we get the answer in 5. So now we need to convert into rupees mark. That we know that, isn't it? So rupees 1 equal to 100 pies means 2 rupees equal to 200 pies. So here our answer is also 205. So instead of 205, just mention it as rupees 2. Is it clear now? Okay. So here they have given 1000 pies. So we need to do this format only. But in our mind calculation, so 1000 pies means it denotes the 10 rupees, isn't it? So 10 rupees, if it's equally shared for 5 students means 5 to the 10. So here they have get 2 rupees only. So that is also we can do without mind calculation, but according to this 1005 we need to do this steps also. You understand, ma'am? Right.